Protecting metal hardware during exterior house painting prevents staining, adhesion, failures, and corrosion that can ruin both the metal and the paint job. Start by assessing all metal hardware and accessories to decide what to remove, mask, or replace. Hinges, knobs, deadbolts, house numbers, mail slots, and shutter pins each require a different approach. When possible, remove hardware and store pieces in a labeled container to keep fasteners together and avoid greenhouse effects on delicate finishes. For brass and stainless pieces that stay in place, use quality, low-tack Painter S tape cut to fit and wrap exposed surfaces, burnishing the edges so paint cannot creep underneath. And for intricate shapes, layer thin plastic sheeting over tape and secure with tape at several points. For blued or blackened steel that could be sensitive to solvents or rust, scuff lightly with fine sandpaper. Wipe with a lint-free cloth dampened with mineral spirits, and apply a corrosion-inhibiting primer designed for ferrous metals before any touch-up top coat. If hardware is heavily worn or pitted, remove it and replace it with new pieces that match the updated finish and weather resistance desired. This is often faster than extensive restoration and provides immediate curb appeal improvement. Finally, when reinstalling hardware, tighten fasteners progressively to avoid paint cracking and clean any paint smears promptly with the manufacturer recommended solvent to protect metal finishes. Homeowners commonly forget to label and bag fasteners after removal, which leads to mismatched reinstallation. Prevent this by taping each fastener to its corresponding part or placing sets in labeled zip-style bags. A second frequent issue is using improper tape that leaves adhesive residue on brass and stainless. Choose a known, low-residue Painter S tape and test a small hidden area first. And if residue appears, remove it with a gentle solvent and a soft cloth. Third, people assume all metal can be left in place without prepping, which causes poor adhesion and rust under the paint. Either remove and prime bare metal with the correct primer, or thoroughly abrade and use a metal-specific primer before top coats. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options for painting and hardware work while letting contractors connect with nearby customers seeking projects. We also run an active discussion community where users share real-world tips on protecting and replacing exterior hardware. So our site helps both homeowners plan work and contractors find jobs.